we are looking at how to pronounce these names. We'll be looking at how to say more biblical names as well, names from the Bible many struggle with or mispronounce. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's break down how you pronounce these originally Latin name. He was a Roman jurist. There are in fact two different pronunciations for it. Gaius, that would be the pronunciation that is closer to Latin, Gaius, but in English it's also acknowledged and accepted that you can say Gaius. So it's up to you. Gaius or Gaius is how you can pronounce this name. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.